Hi friends! So happy to have you here today. We're making truly delicious stuffed peppers with mushrooms and cheese, such a cozy classic. Grab 2 large bell peppers and slice them in half. Gently scoop out the seeds and core. Do the same with the other pepper slice, then remove the core. Next, mix up a quick marinade. In a small bowl, pour 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 2 pinches of salt. Sprinkle in just a little cumin. Slice a lime in half and squeeze in the juice from one half. Give it a good stir. Brush each pepper half with the marinade. Cooking is truly my happy place. I'm just starting out on my YouTube journey, so if you'd like to support me, please give this video a like and subscribe. Now let's get these peppers baking in the air fryer. Set it to 355 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 180 Celsius, and bake for 15 minutes. While they cook, let's make our veggie filling. First, take 1 eggplant. Chop it into small cubes. Let me know in the comments, where are you watching from? I'd love to know. Finishing up the eggplant, remember, small pieces are best for this filling. Now, mushrooms. You'll need about 150 grams. Chop them finely, any way you like. Which veggies do you want to see in future recipes? Tell me below. Next, slice up some leek. Again, nice and small for everything. Grab about 5 cloves of garlic. Short on time? Just grate the garlic on a fine grater. Now chop 30 grams of green onion. Want even more flavor? Toss in your favorite herbs too. Drizzle a bit of olive oil into a skillet. Add in all those chopped veggies one by one. Smells incredible already, don't you think? Mix well until everything's combined. Season with salt to taste. Sprinkle in a little smoked paprika for extra warmth. Stir again. Add 100 grams of rice. Pour in 300 milliliters of water. Give it a stir, then let everything simmer for about 10 minutes. Now, stir in 100 grams of tomato paste. Mix until the paste is fully blended in. Add more green onion if you like. Give it one last stir, then turn off the heat. Take those baked peppers out of the air fryer. Look at them, golden and perfect. Fill each pepper half with the veggie and rice mixture. The aroma is out of this world. I wish you could smell it right now. Hope you're enjoying this. If you try the recipe, let me know in the comments. Almost done. Just one more step to go. Top each pepper with some grated cheese. Soft cheese works here too, whatever you like best. Use as much or as little as you like. Pop the peppers back in the air fryer. Same setting, 355 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius, for 5 more minutes. Just look at that, exactly how we want them. Enjoy them hot and fresh. If you liked this recipe, please share it with friends. Support my channel with a like and a subscribe, it means a lot. See you in the next video, and don't forget to comment below.